Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing deliberately. Gather a torque wrench, manifold gauges, vacuum pump, proper refrigerant, and safety gloves. You must disconnect the battery and recover refrigerant to avoid legal and safety hazards. This preserves system integrity. Once done, inspect the belt routing and take clear photos so reassembly is faster and accurate. Make sure to depressurize and cap open fittings to keep contaminants out. Now you're ready to remove external components and expose the compressor. For the next details, you'll remove the serpentine belt and keep fasteners organized, because order matters when you reassemble. Next, disconnect electrical connectors and refrigerant lines. Cap the lines immediately to prevent moisture entry. Unbolt the compressor carefully. Support its weight as you lower it. Drain and measure the oil from the old unit so you match volume and type in the replacement. Once removed, compare mounting points, clutch alignment, and port orientation. If they differ, stop and verify parts to avoid incorrect installation. You mount the new compressor and torque bolts to the manufacturer's specs to prevent leaks or misalignment. Reinstall lines with new O-rings and proper lubricant, then vacuum the system down to under 500 microns to remove moisture and air. Charge the system with the exact refrigerant amount and oil you measured earlier. Overcharging or wrong oil harms longevity. Start the engine, cycle the A/C, monitor pressures and temperatures, and listen for unusual noise. If the system won't cool, recheck vacuum, charge, and electrical connections. Leaks are the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.